It doesn't matter. I just as long as it goes in, I know which stop goes where. Does it say anything?
Yeah, so these two rolls are the installer rolls, and then that pallet is for first choice.
Okay. It doesn't matter. If it's both in the same town, then it doesn't even matter.
Okay.
So this is what it looks like. I got a strap on it, moldings in there, and then floorings in here. And I think even if they pushed it in all the way, which he didn't want to do, it wouldn't have fit anyways, because the freight is, I don't know what that is, 7-8 inches past the pallet right there. So it would have been exactly 192, but you know, they're okay loading it like this, so this is what it is. This is why you need a big van, peeps. What happens next is simple as simple. You take pictures of the bill of lading, you take pictures of the freight and send it to the broker or your dispatch and wait for it good to go, and you're good to go. So we've got a direct delivery, 2 deliveries to Wenatchee. We got 2 stops. So this is as simple as it can be. 175 miles to my first delivery. I'll be there at 1:55 p.m. per GPS. Arrival time is 1:55. Takes 2 hours and 43 minutes to get there. Let's get going. Nothing to it. Hello? Hi. Were you expecting carpet?
Cargo?
Carpet.
Oh, no, that's next door.
Oh, over here, okay.
Yeah, right next door.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
That's what happens when I don't get contacts for this stuff. I'm here walking around waiting for people, waiting. Finally decided to ask broker. Broker wasn't answering. And then broker, after 20 minutes, started answering, started looking into it. Long story short, then she gave me a contact. I'm calling the contact. He's like, I'm outside. I'm like, no, you're not. And it ended up being the contact for my second stop instead of my first stop. So, anyways, that's what happens when I don't get phone numbers right away. Or when phone numbers don't get posted on the bill of lading. They should be there. Usually they are. Today they're not for some reason. So that's what we're dealing with. Somebody's on their way, supposedly. Maybe 10 minutes or maybe whatever it'll be. Then the guy will show up to unload me. He's like, oh, the driver thought you were the usual driver or something, and you call. He normally calls him 10 minutes ahead or something like that. Anyways, I guess they got a system with a normal driver. But I am not a normal driver because apparently they told me normal drivers, today he is sick, second day in a row. So yeah. The little business is over here in the middle. One door here, I've been to that door, been to the one in the end, and here in the middle, that's where I need to unload at. And there's nobody here for that. Hopefully soon. Still snow up in the mountains up there. Probably can't, well, let me see. I think this new camera zooms in a little bit. Let's try to zoom in. Tap again. Let's try to zoom in some snow for you. Oh, it does zoom in. How about that? You see snow? Yeah. There you go. There's still snow up there. Besides the snow, so beautiful here, so warm. I'm in a t-shirt. 79 degrees outside. Can't get any better than this. And it's sunny, it's clear. You know, here and there's some clouds, but for the most part it's nice and sunny. We finally have springtime. But this is Wenatchee. They're always warmer here. This town is in between mountains on that side and on this side. And the river cuts through the town. So they do have things to do out here as far as fishing goes. I don't know if they got, you know, winter sports or whatever. I can imagine they probably do. But as far as the fishing goes, they got the fishing and they got the snow. And then they got the beautiful weather out here too, because they do get snow, but not as much at all. Snow was up in the mountains. Other than that, they don't have any snow. Here's the freight. Maybe I should go and unbuckle this stuff so I'm ready to rock and roll when he gets here. This stuff is laying on top of my other freight for the other guy that I'm supposed to go deliver, so yeah. I'll turn back on when he gets here. Thank you. Have a good day.
Sorry for the way a little bit, but I'm working.
Oh, it's okay. I just didn't give me the phone number right away. If they would, I would call you right away because I was supposed to be 20 at 2:20, and then I got held up in traffic coming this way.
Okay.
So it was 2:30 is when I got here.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's all right.
Yeah, but the next time, just ask to them. They need to give you my telephone and just call me when
Oh, okay.
it's close here. And
Okay.
yeah.
All right. Thank you. Okay. Oh, hold on one sec. Hold on. Okay, go ahead. Hold on. I gotta lift it up. Okay. I didn't unhook my strap earlier, that's why I was getting caught. You guys are warm.
Yeah,
Is it finally for you too, or?
finally.
Yeah,
It's not been like this.
not either. Not for us either. If you could sign and print on there, it's. You've done it before, I'm sure. Yeah, I don't know. Seems like this winter's been half a year in Spokane.
Yeah, it's been like long here. This last weekend was pretty nice, but not like this.
Yeah, well, I think we're going to be close to 80s as well on the weekend,
Yeah.
or by the time the weekend hits. So
Heck yeah.
enjoyable. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. That's it. Both deliveries are done, and this load paid a whopping $650 today. 400 miles as a round trip, 200 there, 200 back home. They'd have to stand in some traffic, lost some time. There's a lot of construction going on, but besides that, that's it. I can't believe they paid that much. But hey, when it's your only load, you know, for a week or two, then yeah. I'm sure if they had somebody else out here, maybe they would have paid somebody else less. But there's just no vehicles sitting around over here, usually. And before these loads even hit the load board, obviously, this broker, they always ask us first. So, you know, if they liked our price, that means they could pay that price. That means everything's okay. So, for a 2-dropper, you know, with what we were doing, that's what it paid. Thank you, Jesus, and happy Thursday. Besides this stuff here, as far as weather goes, I think we're finally after about a half a year of snow and nonstop bad weather, we're finally getting somewhere decent. Where I'm at today, it's 79. Look, there's that guy making all the racket. 79, so feels good. Feels in a t-shirt. Too bad I didn't grab my shorts, but you know, maybe tomorrow I'll grab my shorts because tomorrow should be warmer. And tomorrow's a new day with a new load that I've actually picked up today, which will be a separate video. So sit tight for that. I'll show you guys a little bit more of what Wenatchee looks like. Orchards everywhere. See this? This is orchards all over the place out here. The river is right behind me. This is actually the same place where me and my son went to go try fishing that one time when we had the Microsoft load where the broker tried to screw us not too long ago. Yeah, look at this. Same river. Fishing's good out here. Everybody fishes the river out here. But let's go see what this place looks like from up above, and after that we'll see what else we can chat about.